Hi everyone, once again, welcome to our show. Today, we will talk about the ELECTROATOM project and its new achievements. And here on the air, it's Josue Dioba. Let's get started now. Follow us, it's happening now. And we want to congratulate our partners, our representatives, of course Salamata, who has reached the specialist level, but also Bonaventure Dosu, who has reached the master level. So we want to congratulate them and thank them for the work they're doing to advance the ELECTROATOM project. Give it your all because it's together that we'll go far. We're now landing in Ouagadougou, where a big conference will be held at the Hotel Pacifique at 2 p.m. on December 7th. This conference will be led by Yamiogo Etienne. This is the opportunity for everyone to get involved with Sakeri and the news about the ELECTROATOM project. This is the chance to come and ask those questions and get coherent answers to move the project forward together. And now, we're heading to Moscow, where last week, Viktor Chunov, the CIO of the ELECTROATOM project, was in Moscow. He paid tribute to Yuri Stepanovich, and it was also an opportunity for him to meet Desire Fidel, a person who came all the way from Ivory Coast to meet him. It was a powerful moment, it was a moment of exchange, and also, Desire said he will support the ELECTROATOM project, of course. At 2:29 p.m. on December 15, a big conference will be held at the MIS Hotel in Lomé, Togo, which will be managed by the representatives of the ELECTROATOM project. So, it's Christophe Balachua, Alès Bojebou, and also the representative from Benin, Ibrahim, who will be there together to present the ELECTROATOM project. For all those people in Lomé, this is your chance to take part. This conference, as well as to get updates on the technical side and the investment of the ELECTROATOM's project. We're waiting for all of you. Don't hesitate, it's happening now. And we want to remind you that on Zoom we have webinars organized by Koyade, who is the leader of these webinars every Tuesday and Friday. These conferences are held in English. It's on Tuesday to talk about the technical side and on Friday to discuss investment. Also, we want to remind you that on the 13th of every month, with the Vietnamese community supported by Ms. Wen, we also have conferences that take place on Zoom. Also, every Tuesday, we have conferences with our African representatives for the French-speaking part. They explain the ELECTROATOM project and attract more investors. Don't forget that we also talk about the conferences that take place every Sunday at 8 p.m. with Armanda, who discusses how to become self-sufficient in terms of investment. And then, I'll wrap up with Gerard Sokonou, who is the agent of CIO Viktor Chunov, and he also organizes conferences every Wednesday at 10 p.m. on Zoom to talk about the progress of the ELECTROATOM project. Gerard is here to answer your questions, all your concerns, and also to provide concrete answers. And then, we'll talk about some great news, which is the arrival of a compressor at Tribal Technology. This is a very important step because very soon there will be tests conducted, and right now you can see on your screens the video showing the arrival of that compressor. We want to congratulate the ELECTROATOM team, Tribal Technology, for doing a great job. With this compressor, we will be able to kick off our project and move things forward. Now, you can watch this video.
Good afternoon, dear colleagues, dear friends. We are once again at the Tribal Technology production facility. A part of the equipment has arrived. Right now we're going to unload it and bring it into the workshop. Guys, well, you know, we have finally and very successfully unloaded the first part of our equipment. As you can see, this is the compressor. The compressor that perfectly fits all our parameters, requirements, specifications, and all our tasks. The compressor is designed to efficiently and effectively pump air into the drying system and then into the receiver, into the accumulator. This air will be passed through a powder mixture, mixed with the powder, and then fed into our tribo generator. What tasks do we have ahead of us today? In the beginning, firstly, we must ensure that our equipment is properly set up and securely and safely connected to the power supply. Then, we should attempt to carefully and methodically pump some air. Additionally, it is essential to connect our tribo generator in its smaller, more compact version and attempt to efficiently and effectively generate electricity. And we will see precisely how much electricity our little tribo generator produces in this particular experiment to measure the amount of energy generated. I think the result is a parasite for all of us. In the very near future, dear friends, we will indeed see all of this. Well, right now, it's time for me to get to work, connect our compressor, and try to generate electricity immediately and efficiently. Thank you all for your attention, colleagues. Goodbye.
And now we're heading to Côte d'Ivoire, of course, to Abidjan, with Moussa Kone, who is the national representative in Côte d'Ivoire. He organizes conferences and meetings every day at the ELECTROATOM office, and this is a great opportunity for everyone in Abidjan to come and get the latest updates. Moussa Kone is here to address all your concerns. He is in this office. You can come by for all those people who have concerns and would like more information about the ELECTROATOM. Moussa Kone is here and ready to help you with that. That's all for today. We sincerely want to thank each and every one of you who took part in this amazing show, and to everyone who watched this entire video, thank you. We'll see each other next week for some new updates. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, our social media.